Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to show you how to refill the Pantum printer's cartridge. Today I have got Pantum printer TL-412 printer cartridge. Okay, you can look the cartridge in the screen. The cartridge has one chip. Look at here. To refill it, first of all you have to open the cover. You have to open the cover of this side or this part. Now I am going to open. Okay, now look at here. Here are some locks. Here's a lock. I want to press the lock. Okay, after pressing the lock you can open this cover. And look at here. Here is a hole. In this hole, we have to refill the ink. Okay. Open this cover. Now, you have to use the toner. The toner is especially for Pantum printer. Okay, I am going to open it. Now you have to pour this toner in this hole. Make sure you wear mask and gloves because the toner is very harmful for our body. It may also cause the cancer. So be careful while you are refilling the printer. Now I had poured all this bottle in the cartridge. Now I am going to plug this. Now I am going to pour the dirt in the paper. Okay, now it's time to close the cover. Close the cover. You can see the circle hole, and this hole goes in this part like this way. You have to close the cover. Okay, now it's time to tighten the screws. So by this method you can easily refill the Pantum printer cartridge at your home. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more updates. Okay, bye bye.